If you want to look elegant, stylish, and refined without being showy, many people will tell you to put your jeans away because, let's be honest, when jeans are styled with a puffer jacket, a grey cardigan, or an all-black outfit, they are comfortable and current, but also suspiciously boring, aren't they? But what if I told you that the problem isn't the jeans, but the way we style them? This video is for you. Because today, I'm sharing 5 secret styling weapons that will help you elevate any denim outfit without chasing trends, trying too hard, or sacrificing comfort. Keep watching, because you'll want to save and try these formulas right away. Let's get started. We begin with the first outfit. Does it look comfortable? Yes. Does it look modern? Maybe. But it also feels very flat and unfinished. The reason is that when you pair denim with completely casual textures, like a fleece sweatshirt or a nylon bomber, the overall look becomes too predictable. Even with a black and white color palette, the outfit still looks dull because all the textures are casual and there's nothing to lift the look. The first change I make is the top. I replace the sweatshirt with a cashmere turtleneck. Instantly, the outfit gains structure and refinement while staying just as comfortable. Next are the shoes. Chunky boots make the look feel heavy and casual, so I switch them for sleek wedge boots. The silhouette immediately becomes cleaner and more polished. I add a simple belt. Nothing flashy, just enough to make the outfit feel intentional. And now comes the key element, texture. I add a fur coat. Denim paired with fur is one of the easiest, and especially this season, one of the most luxurious ways to elevate a jeans outfit. The contrast in textures instantly makes the look more interesting and polished. I finish it with a structured black bag, sunglasses, and of course, jewelry. Since I'm already wearing a turtleneck, the perfect choice here is a pair of silver drop earrings, refined without overpowering the outfit. I add leather gloves for extra warmth and depth. And that's it. Very warm, very comfortable, but with just one rich contrasting texture, jeans immediately look chic and elevated. You don't need more pieces. You need contrast. If fur isn't your thing, you can absolutely swap it for a structured trench coat with a fur collar. The mix of canvas, denim, cashmere, and leather creates a beautiful harmony of textures. Even though the color palette stays neutral, this contrast is what makes the outfit feel luxurious and refined while remaining extremely wearable. Which option do you prefer? The fur coat or the trench? If you've ever stood in front of your closet thinking, I have nothing to wear, I have something for you. I've created a free guide with outfit formulas for different occasions, from lunch and brunch to running errands and meeting friends. The best part is that you don't need to buy anything new. Everything is based on pieces you already own. Just open your closet, look at the outfit map, and put together a look right away. It's completely free. All you need to do is leave your email, and the guide will be sent straight to your inbox. Click the link below, get the guide, and start dressing beautifully with the pieces you already know. The second secret tool is color. One big mistake is treating denim like an invisible neutral. But denim has a color. Once you start seeing it as navy, charcoal gray, or soft blue, everything changes. Suddenly, your outfits have a color story and feel much more intentional. Is there anything wrong with this outfit? Honestly, no. Navy jeans, a navy puffer jacket, chunky boots, Very warm and very practical for winter. But it's flat, navy on navy, no contrast, no accessories, very sleepy. So instead of thinking jeans, I think navy. One of the most beautiful colours to pair with navy is chocolate brown. I replaced the navy puffer with a deep brown trench coat. Now we have navy, brown, and a neutral base. Then I swapped the chunky boots for sleek loafers to add polish while keeping comfort. I pushed the colour palette further by layering a red sweater on top. Suddenly, the outfit has depth and feels very intentional. Finally, I add a gold necklace. Gold works beautifully with chocolate brown and red, making the look feel complete rather than accidental. I finish with a structured bag and aviator sunglasses. Simple, comfortable, but very chic. Now we come to my favourite tool, layering. Please don't stop at just jeans and a top. Layering creates visual depth and a sense of being styled. Just one extra layer can completely transform an outfit. Grey on grey might sound boring, but with a few small changes, it's not. I switch the shoes to wedge boots. Add a white tank top under the cardigan. For a fresher, more modern feel, I add a belt and casually half-tuck the cardigan to create a relaxed, effortless vibe. Then I throw on a black leather jacket, followed by another layer, a red sweater on top. It may sound unexpected, but that's exactly what makes the outfit feel modern. The result is a warm, versatile look that works for work or errands, all thanks to layering. Another important tool is structure and tailoring. Jeans are already relaxed by nature, so if everything else is relaxed, the outfit collapses. You only need one structured element. For example, with the same jeans, I swap sneakers for silver loafers, replace a mohair sweater with a vest, and add a structured bomber jacket. The outfit stays comfortable but looks much sharper. Or add a well-cut blazer, and you instantly create a stronger, more elevated silhouette. Finally, there are style anchors. Shoes, bags, jewelry, scarves, sunglasses. They are not just decoration. They determine the level of the outfit. Jeans, a puffer jacket, and boots are the base. But when you add a rich brown fur coat, a gold necklace, and a structured burgundy bag, the outfit immediately tells a story. Small details, like an embroidered scarf, sharp sunglasses, and a structured bag, are what turn an outfit from just getting dressed into having style. So, no, you don't need to give up jeans. You just need to stop treating them like an afterthought. Use texture, color, layering, structure, and style anchors. That's how jeans become chic even in winter. And before you leave this video, I want to remind you of one very important thing. Jeans are not outdated. The only thing that needs to change is how we wear them. If you remember these 5 elements, texture, color, layering, structure, and style anchors, even the simplest outfit can look chic and polished in winter. If you found these formulas helpful, please hit like to support the channel and subscribe so you don't miss future videos on elegant, practical style without chasing trends. I'd also love to hear from you. Leave a comment and tell me which outfit formula you want to try first, or what you struggle with most when wearing jeans in winter. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I'll see you in the next video, where we continue learning how to dress beautifully in a way that feels effortless, confident, and truly you.